Are you too busy to get sick this year? I know that I am. How about you? Missing work, the demands of your family, sick days from school, falling out of shape, not to mention feeling terrible? No thanks. You've heard me say it before, and you're gonna hear it again. You don't get sick, you do sick. Well, not this year. You can do healthy, and we're gonna show you how to do that at this month's Body Signal Workshop. How to boost your immune system in 21 days. This workshop is for you if you want to discover how the healthiest people in the world eat to fight infection, or what the research tells us about taking supplementation for greater immunity, or how you should alter your workouts when you're fighting a cold, what impact your thought patterns have on your immunity, or how to charge your immune system like a mobile phone, and the one thing you need to stop doing immediately that is weakening your defenses. I don't know about you, but I'm way too busy to get sick. So I'm gonna do healthy this year. Let's face it, you've got a lot to do and you're gonna need your health, your energy, and your body to be there for you too. Come to this awesome event and discover the secrets to having the healthiest year yet. Now, if you wait until you're already sick, well, it's too late. Don't blow it this year. Learn the insider secrets to staying well all year. Now, we all know that there's gotta be a better way to staying well than simply washing your hands, not shaking hands, and taking drugs. Seriously? Learn the strategies that the health experts use to keep their families healthy all year long. You're too busy to do sick this year. In fact, I bet that you'll know somebody else who's struggling with this as well. Who is it? Please bring them with you to the workshop and let us know that they're coming so that we can save a seat for them. As always, thank you in advance for helping us help others. We'll see you there.